BBA Semester 5 Important Questions Co-Curriculum Course Analytical Ability and Digital Awareness। पहले वीडियो में हम क्वेश्चन 1 से 59 तक करवा चुके थे। अब आगे के क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 59 इफ़ द लेटर of the word friend are arranged in alphabet order, which letter will come in the middle? Option A D, option B E, option C I, option D N। आंसर है ऑप्शन सी I। क्वेश्चन नंबर 60 which letter is fifth to the left of the 15th letter from the right and in the English alphabet? A M B L C K D N। आंसर है C K। क्वेश्चन नंबर 61 डॉक्टर हॉस्पिटल टीचर A क्लास B स्टूडेंट C स्कूल D बुक। आंसर है C स्कूल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 62 फुट मैन hoof question mark A cow B horse C dog D goat। आंसर है B horse। क्वेश्चन नंबर 63 A train runs at 60 km upon hard how much time will it take to cover 180 km? Question mark A 1 hour B 2 hour C 3 hour D 4 hour। आंसर है C 3 hour। Question number 64 if 15 minutes can complete a job in 12 days, how many men are required to complete it in 10 days? Question mark A 18 B 20 C 16 D 12। आंसर है A 18। Question number 65 which of the following is an example of an output devices? Question mark A scanner B keyboard C printer D mouse। आंसर है C printer। Question number 66 what is the full form of URL? Question mark A uniform resource locator B universal resources link C uniform reference locator D universal reference link। आंसर है A uniform resources locator। Question number 67 which of the following storage devices has the highest capacity? Question mark A CD-ROM B DVDs C Blu-ray disc D floppy disk। आंसर है C Blu-ray disk। Question number 68 which of the following is the first generation computer language? Question mark A assembly language B machinery language C high level language D natural language। आंसर है B machinery language। Question number 69 which of the following is used to protect a computer from virus? आंसर है A compiler B antivirus software C firewall D disk cleanup। आंसर है B antivirus software। Question number 70 which is the age of Ram? Question mark A statement question मतलब 1 option 1 Ram is 5 years old then Shyam। Second Shyam age is 20 years core A statement 1 alone is sufficient B statement second alone is sufficient C both statements together are sufficient D neither is sufficient। आंसर है C both statements together are sufficient. Question number 71. A statement: the number of road accidents is increased rapidly in the city. Courses of action: a strict traffic rule should be implemented. Second, roads should be widened. Core: A. Option A, only one follows. Option B, only second follows. Option C, both one and second follow. D, neither follows. Answer है C, both one and second follow. Question number 72. Argument: fast food should be banned in schools to reduce obesity. Which of the following weakens this argument? Question mark. A. Obesity is caused by many factors, not just fast food. B. Option B, children like fast food. Option C, fast food is cheap. Option D, can earn revenue by selling fast food. Answer A. Obesity is caused by many factors, not just fast food. Answer A. Question number 73. Which part of the computer performs arithmetic and logical operation? A. ALU. B. CU. D. Memory unit. Option D. Input unit. Answer A. ALU. Question number 74. Which of the following is an input devices? Question mark. A. Monitor. B. Printer. C. Keyboard. D. Speaker. Answer है C. Keyboard. Question number 75. Which is the function of the operating? Question number 75. What is the function of the operation system? Question mark. A. Manage hardware. B. Manage software. C. Provide a user interface. D. All of the above. Answer है D. All of the above. Question number 76. 1 byte is equal to how many bits? Question mark. A. 4. B. 8. C. 16. D. 32. Answer है B. 8. Question number 77. Which of the following is not an output devices? Question mark. A. Monitor. B. plotter. C. Printer. D. Keyboard. Answer है D. Keyboard. Question number 78. Which of the following is not a type of computer memory? Question mark. A. Primary. B. Secondary. C. Tertiary. D. Optical. Answer is C. Tertiary. Question number 79. IFCAT equal 3120. Then dog. Question mark. Option A 4157. B 4627. C 4715. D 4267. आंसर है 1A 4157. Question number 18. In a code apply to write a EQQPI, then mango will be written as A. Parks A. QERKS. B. QEREK. B. QERKP. D. QERKR. Answer है A. QERKS. Question Question number 81. Pointing to a woman, Raj said, "She is my sister of my father." How is the woman related to Raj? Question mark. A. Mother. B. Aunt. C. Cousin. D. Sister. Answer A. B. Aunt. Question number 82. A is the father of B, but B is not son of A. Son of A. How is A related to A? Question mark. A. Daughter. B. Sister. C. Wife. D. Mother. Answer A. Daughter. Question number 83. 5 friends A, B, C, D and E are sitting in a row. A is to the left of B but to the right of C, D. C point D is to the right of B, who is sitting at the extreme right. Question mark. A, B, B, C, C, D, D. Answer D. Question number 84. 4 people P, Q, R, S are facing north. Q is to the left to but right of the who is at the extreme left. A, Q, B, P, C, R, D, S. Answer is C, R. Question number 85. Which device stores data permanently? Question mark. A. RAM. B. Cache. C. Hard disk. D. Register. Answer is C. Hard disk. Question number 86. Which of the following is not a computer language? Question mark. A. Basic. B. Fortran. D. Microsoft. D. C++. Answer is C. Microsoft. Question number 87. Which of the following is an example of system software? Question mark. A. MS Word. B. MS Excel. C. Tally. D. Windows 10. Answer is D. Windows 10. Question number 88. Which key is used to reverse a web page in Windows? Question mark. A. F2. B. F5. C. F3. D. F6. Answer is B. F5. Question number 89. Which of the following is not an operating system? Question mark. A. Windows. B. Linux. C. Google Chrome. D. DOS. Answer is C. Google Chrome. Question number 90. In a series of figures, a black dot moves one step clockwise in each figure. Which figure will come next? Question mark. A. Don't returns to start. B. Don't moves to step forward. C. Don't remain in place. D. Don't moves count clockwise. Answer A. Don't return to start. 91. If the sequence of pattern is triangle, rectangle, circle, triangle, rectangle, circle, dash, what will be the 10th figure? Question mark. A. Triangle. B. Rectangle. C. Circle. D. None of the above. Answer A. Triangle. Question number 92. If opposite face is cube are red, dash green, blue dash white and yellow dash black, then which color is opposite to blue? Question mark. A. Green. B. White. C. Black. D. Red. Answer B. White. Question number 93. A cube has all faces colored differently when cut into 64 smaller cubes, how many cubes will have no color? Question mark. A 8, B 16, C 27, D 0. Answer A 8. Question number 94. A paper is folded, twitched and cut once vertically on unfolding. How many symmetrical cuts will appear? Question mark. A 2, B 3, C 4, D 8. Answer is C 4. Question number 95. You found a wallet with cash and an ID card on the street. What should you do? Question mark. A. Keep the money. B. Ignore it. C. Contact the owner using the ID card. D. Give it to a friend. Answer is C. Contact the owner using the ID card. Question number 96. As a team leader, two members are in conflict. With what will you do first? Question mark. It takes sides with the senior employee. B. Listen to both sides calmly. C. Report both to HR. D. Ignore the issue. Answer है B. Listen the both sides calmly. Question number 97. Which of the following is the brain of computer? Question mark. A. ALU, B. CU, C. CPU, D. Memory. Answer is C. CPU. Question number 98. Which device is used to convert digital signals to analog signals? Question mark. A. Modem, B. Router, C. Switch, D. Hub. Answer A. Modem. Question number 99. Which of the following is A. volatile memory? Question mark. A. ROM, B. RAM, C. hard disk, D. CD-ROM. Answer is B. RAM. Question number 100. What does BIOS stand for? Question mark. A. Basic Input Output System, B. Binary Input Output System, C. Basic Integrated Operating System, D. Binary Integrated Operating System. Answer है A. Basic Input Output System. आंसर है ए. आज यूट्यूब की इस वीडियो में 100 तक क्वेश्चंस इम्पॉर्टेंट 100 तक क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. और अगर आप लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आता है तो चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करें. हमारे चैनल पर और भी ऐसी ही 5th सेमेस्टर की इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस की वीडियो उपलब्ध है. आप हमारे चैनल पर जाकर उन वीडियो को देख सकते हैं.